Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you very much for joining me. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nisha and you're on Walking in Divine Purpose. Nisha, of course. I always want to say walking in my divine purpose. But for today, this video is very clear. I can't understand why America would want to poke their nose out here in Jamaica to tell us how to run our country. And because of that, we have three diplomats who are coming back home. Allegedly, it was spoken here on the news, and I have this clip to show. So we're going to go over straight to the clip. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? I did one there on, I have a video on Uganda, but for some reason space reason, right? So this one now, I am against the LGBT community because of my faith, and here in Jamaica we are against the LGBT community as well. We stand for order, we stand for God, and we stand for holiness. Now I want you to understand that we love you and we appreciate you, but what you're doing, it is not Bible. It was not taught by our Lord Jesus Christ that we should accept homosexuality, so therefore we are against it. And America now is sending back them out. There's much more, so take a look at this video, and kudos to the person who did this video. All the big ups goes, straight over. So I'm going to put the link in the description so you can go and watch this video over there, and let's go straight into the video. So thank you very much for coming. Remember to like, share, leave a comment, because I'm coming. All right, I'm coming down there.
So the Biden administration is starting problems with another black nation. This nation is Jamaica. Now, Jamaica has rules and laws and customs just like any other nation. And in their nation, LGBTQ marriages are not recognized at all. It's not legal. Well, I want you to hear how Biden is acting with Jamaica because of their rules and laws behind a diplomat that they want to bring in. They say, no, you can't bring them in, but let's go ahead and roll that.
Earlier this year, the United States government wrote to the Jamaican government seeking its approval for the married partner of a diplomat about to be posted to Jamaica and who is in a same-sex relationship to be given diplomatic immunity and all the privileges of a diplomat. It's believed the Jamaican government did not respond to the request in a timely manner. The US sent another diplomatic note demanding a response. The Jamaican government responded, rejecting the request. A senior government source told TVJ News, quote, that an approval of the request would mean Jamaica recognizing same-sex marriage, which is illegal in this country, end quote. Our sources tell us the US then responded, rejecting a request from the Holiness Administration to extend the stay of 3 Jamaican diplomats in our embassy and consulates in the United States. The US served notice that the trio must leave immediately after their 5-year diplomatic visa expires. This is in contrast to what now obtains, where extensions to diplomatic visas for Jamaican diplomats beyond the 5-year period would be routine. Among those affected are Jamaica's ambassador to the United States, Audrey Marks, and Consul General Oliver Mayer, based in Miami, who the Americans say must leave and return to Jamaica this year. It's not known what other diplomatic measures, if any, the US government might take against Jamaica in light of the government's refusal to grant immunity to the spouse of one of its diplomats.
So Biden and them is retaliating against Jamaica and want to kick out their ambassador and diplomats after their visa expires behind this. You see the pattern here? Then you look at how they were talking about Uganda and their laws. But once again, you can't say that they're fighting for or respecting LGBTQ rights because they don't going to tell nothing to Saudi Arabia. They haven't kicked out Saudi Arabia's ambassador that's here, right? They haven't kicked him out, or anybody that represents Saudi Arabia, or anybody that represents the UAE or anybody else to have these same exact laws. They don't allow LGBTQ in Saudi Arabia. And yet that's one of the main countries they deal with for oil. But they want to treat black countries like Jamaica, Uganda, horribly, disrespect them. Basically like threatening them that we're not going to have good relations with you. Because of this one person here, who do they hurt? They didn't hurt nobody. They just say, look, over here, this is not what the business is. Over here, what you do in your country have at it, knock yourself out. You have to respect the customs and laws of other countries. You can't go over there and bullying anybody. It's just like that young woman, the sassy trucker. She got locked up in Dubai because she didn't respect their customs and laws. But I bet you they won't go to Dubai and tell them anything. They don't allow that in Dubai.
Let me see. Thank you. Bye-bye.